With murders on the increase in East Kingston, a state of a public emergency has been in effect in the police division since midnight. The anti-crime measure was announced at a media briefing at Jamaica House, and we have details in this report.
It's the usual. Checkpoints at strategic locations with members of the security forces as another state of public emergency is declared, this time in the East Kingston Police Division. It covers some sections of Mountain View, Deanery Road, Harbourview and Bull Bay. And the reasons for this SOE are similar: high levels of violent crime by criminal gangs.
Today there are currently 32 criminal gangs, with over 16 now actively engaged in various violent conflicts in the division. There are 33 wanted persons and another 34 violence influencers within the division.
Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson indicated that murders and shootings increased in the police division last year. 36 firearms and 622 rounds of ammunition were found in East Kingston in 2019.
Already, since the start of 2020, the Eastern Kingston Division has recorded 11 murders, when compared with the 3 during the corresponding period last year.
But with 8 SOEs running at the same time, there are concerns that the crime-fighting measure is losing its effectiveness. So why not declare another zone of special operations?
Don't take the view that the declaration of a state of public emergency will exclude the declaration of a zone of special operations. In fact, I think I can safely say that in short order, there will be some declarations in that regard. What you're seeing here is a very calculated approach to the deployment of the states of public emergency and the zones of special operations. In other words, we do not deploy states of public emergencies and zones of special operations without having the manpower to support.
The authorities also pointed out that a number of programs are underway to increase the establishment of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Jamaica Defense Force.